Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to compress image. So friends, if images are very large, then loading time is very slow. Image file size is small, then it will load very fast. So it's very important image compress. So over here, this is WordPress dashboard and need to install image compress file. Now go plugin and here click add button and right side keyword searching box, I click here and type wp space optimize. Now this is the plugin which I installed. Okay, now I installed here, so click install button and few seconds it will be complete installed, and now here show active button, so I click active button for activate it. Okay, so click now. So friends, this plugins setup completed. Now need to some setting this plugin, so I will scroll down and click here settings options. Now click and this is the dashboard. So here I cannot change anymore, so need click in the right side top images. Now I click images. So compress image. Look, this automatically compress newly added image. So when I post new content, this time if have image this content, then it will be automatically compressed if I select this button. Okay, so here I select this button cause it needs to uploading time automatically compress image. So now I click this and here some options. Now I select, now already select customs and here is middle point. Now I need click middle point. So friends, please look here, this image are already have in my website and here show uncompressed image. Okay, if I need compress this image, then select all or select anyone. So now friends, here I select images which I want compress. So I select this one, this one, this one and this one, and you can select all your images, but tutorial purpose I will here select some images and now click compress the selected image. Okay, so click now. So compressing images, here 4 images and need few seconds to complete this moment. Now friend, look, a total of 4 images were successfully compressed in this iteration. So now friends, hopefully you understand how to compress your image from using these plugins.